Hi, I'm Kelsey Duhadway, Product Manager at DEMDACO. Welcome to our January 2026 new product launch. We're thrilled to introduce a collection designed to inspire customers and create meaningful conversations. This launch introduces Meet the Mugs by Phyllis Ceramics, a playful new line that taps into the glowing trend of gifting for well-being and connection. Consumers want product that sparks joy, and these mugs do just that. Each ceramic mug features colored accents, a sculpted, smiling face, and comes creatively packaged with a unique character biography, making it the perfect gift or collectible item. Starting with our home mugs. We have 10 mugs, each brimming with personality. The insert packaging includes a character biography on the back. Here, I have Tori. Tori is that kind of friend who's heard all your stories, knows all your secrets, and sees you for who you really are, and loves you all the more for it. These mugs are perfect for adding treats like candies, notes, or keychains for an extra thoughtful touch. We have two shapes, both hold 14 ounces, and are sold at $8.50. Our assortment includes a free POP and 2 free mugs. Next, we have our holiday mini mugs. 6 personalities, each are 4 ounces. These are so versatile and fun. You can use them as a place card setting at your holiday party, a treat holder, a coffee or tea sampler, mini planter, ornament, candle holder, the list goes on and on. $6 wholesale for these, and there is an assortment available as well. Like these mugs, every personality brings joy and color to life. We hope that this collection helps your customers celebrate the people that they love in a fun and meaningful way.
DEMDACO. Lift the spirit.